We spent 5 weeks in Lima, Peru, and we absolutely loved it there. This video is simply a compilation of our time in Lima. What you'll see in this video is a bit of almost everything. So these are some of the best sandwiches that we've had in Lima, in Peru rather, right here. These ladies, they've been coming through for us pretty much every day. We come down here and get our sandwiches. They know what we want, and well, we don't even have to ask anymore. They know exactly how we want our sandwiches.
Yeah, it's a really popular sandwich place. It's not too busy today because it's Sunday, but Monday through Saturday, this little stall is alive with customers. Like Jerry said, the ladies are lovely, the food, the sandwiches are amazing.
And prices for these sandwiches range from 3 soles to 5 soles. At least the sandwiches that we've gotten here, so.
2 soles. Actually,
2 soles.
The chicken is 2 soles.
All right, yeah.
Which is about 50 cents.
So 50 cents up to about $1.25. So we're getting 2 carne empanadas, and I know these are Venezuelan. And this guy is on the 28th of July, 28 de Julio, in the La Victoria neighborhood of Lima. So we've been here several times now. In these. Gracias usted. Okay, he is Venezuelan. All right. Okay. So 3 gracias usted. 3 soles each, carne empanadas, and we're just gonna tuck in somewhere and eat them. He's got these little packets of salsa in here that are included as well.
And
so
the salsa is fabulous.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. I could just eat the salsa, by the way, but it goes good with the empanadas as well. So
yeah,
we're gonna do that.
So far, this is my favorite street food that we found in Lima. Maybe anywhere. These things are absolutely addictive. They are fantastic. And it's always a disappointment when we get there and he's sold out of the carne.
He does sell out of them.
He does. He sells out of them really quickly.
Okay, so let's bite in. Okay, so just minced beef with its own secret spices and herbs in there. And a little bit of that green sauce on there. God, those are good, aren't they?
Jesus. These are amazing.
So 3 soles, that's about 75 cents each.
Yeah.
All right, my turn. So this dog right here is Tony, and Tony is friends with the whole world, so we're told. And we could definitely vouch for that. It's a very friendly dog.
And we think Tony is possibly the handsomest chap in all of Lima.
All right, yeah, you are. And by the way, Tony lives in a shop on Avenida Grau. A shop that sells like safety equipment for workers and stuff like that. So I actually bought a pair of leather gloves there. That's how we met Tony. For anyone watching this video who is familiar with Mexico, OXXO stores need no introduction. Now there are about 20,000 OXXO stores throughout all of Mexico, and we thought that was it, just in Mexico. So imagine our surprise when we found OXXO stores in Lima, Peru. Now from what we've learned, as of October 12th, 2023, the 100th OXXO store has opened up in Peru, and they are expanding to other countries as well in South America. Any proper hardcore fan of OXXO stores in Mexico might be happy to learn that the famous Vikingo hot dogs are also available at OXXO stores in Peru. They're gonna start barking. Hello!
Los espero aquí en el mirador del Cerro San Cristóbal en Lima, Perú.
So here we are. What's behind us are the remains of the original city walls in Lima. Now these were originally built in 1687. However, due to the expansion of the city in the 1870s, those original city walls were actually torn down, and this is all that remains of them, what's behind us and a little bit beyond.
This is Parque La Muralla, and it's just a little bit behind Lima's Plaza de Armas.